Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II point and shoot. Now I have been debating getting this for quite some time. I finally took the plunge, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so inside it looks like we have the standard obligatory paperwork. Looks like this is for warranty. I happen to have an advertising in this box for the online photo album, up to 10 gigs of free storage. It looks like this is just some sort of safety information, and we have the user manual, relatively thick. I'm presuming there's multiple languages in there, and I am very sure, knowing me, I will read through all of this. So let's go ahead and take all of these things out. That looks like the camera. These items out first. I can guess what that is, as well as these items. Is there anything else? No, there's something else underneath that. Okay, so let's start with this. This looks like the power brick. Is that what they call it? I don't know. This is the thing that plugs into the wall and you put your rechargeable battery inside it. Looks like it has one charge and one full indicator light, and you just simply flip this out and it plugs into the wall. Put that down for now. Here is the battery. So this is, of course, a rechargeable battery, 3.6 volts, like this, and I guess this would just fit in like this, and then you plug it into the wall. Guys, don't mind my horrible hands. My parrots have been scratching me and biting me. Okay, so this looks like what I was hoping they would have in here, which is a wrist strap. This will come in really, really handy, so I'm glad that's there. Okay, now let's get to the good part. This looks like the main attraction, the camera. So we'll take it out of the little box, plastic box it came in. So it's got this styrofoam wrapping around it, and there we go. Isn't that nice? Ooh, oh. Okay, so we turn it around. Hey, can you see me? Alrighty. Well, that's about it. That's my new camera, and I'm hoping to do a review on this camera in a few weeks after I learn A, how to use it, and B, get used to using it, and I guess C, begin using it. So do check back later for another updated video, but for now, if you are interested in purchasing the Canon G7X Mark II point and shoot, whether it is for taking pictures or it is taking, you need it for vlogging, this is what you'll expect when you open the box. All right, thanks very much for stopping by, and come back soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye.